There are many more consonants that are paired, and we'll get to those at another time. But for now, I'm going to mention just one more. The S consonant, made with air going through your front teeth. S. Any voicing going on with the sound? S. No, the S sound is unvoiced. S. Now what would be, if you didn't change a thing, you just added voicing? What would the S sound become? S. Z. It would become a Z sound. Z. So S has no voicing. S. Z has voicing. Z. So we say the S sound and the Z sound are also paired consonants. And this brings us to what I'd like to cover today. S sounds, S, Z sounds, Z, and how they work in terms of word endings. I find that most people who learn English as a second language do not use the proper voicing on S and Z endings. And what happens is it can cause your speech to sound unclear and sometimes may cause you to be misunderstood. I'm going to show you 3 easy rules that will help you pronounce many of these words correctly. This first rule is easy, and this one I know you probably do already. Rule number 1. If the last sound in a word is unvoiced and you're adding an S, well then the S remains unvoiced too. Let me explain that. Take the word cup. Cup. It ends with an unvoiced P. Cup. Well then if you add an S to the word cup to make it plural, the S you add also remains unvoiced. So, for example, you have 1 cup or 2 cups. There's no voicing at the end of that word. The S remains unvoiced. 1 cup, 2 cups. That's easy. You already do this. I'll show you another word. Cat. Cat ends with an unvoiced T. T, t. 1 cat, 2 cats. Again, the S ending is unvoiced. Cats. Now this also goes for verbs, like in the verb break. I break. Break ends with an unvoiced K sound. K, k. There's no voicing on that K. So when you put the word in the third person, he breaks, the S you add also remains unvoiced. He breaks. I stop ends with an unvoiced P. P, p. I stop. He stops. Unvoiced S. Stops.